Does anyone else feel like when they wear red lipstick that it makes them feel like they have a mustache? Oh shit. Or is it me? Is it me?
I think y'all gonna enjoy this one right here. You know what I'm saying? Roll with it, roll with it.
Good morning, my love. It is 11:54 in the morning, and we're gonna dive straight into this lace melt. I'm gonna show you how to get these super popping curls, and this video is also sponsored by Tinashe Hair, so let's get started. We're gonna pull out the white bald cap, specifically white. I find it a lot easier to exactly match my skin tone when starting from a blank canvas. I used to try to use the wig cap that usually comes with the wigs inside the box, but I found that it just never quite matched my skin tone. So then when I started doing this, I was like, oh snap, it really matches perfectly. I actually pulled out a shade that was a tad too dark for me, but this is the shade that I normally use. The makeup on the bald cap doesn't have to be perfectly laid, but you do have to cut off the excess or else it's going to show through the plucked part of your wig. But try not to cut too far back, because if you do, you'll start cutting into your edges. And you know, 2020, we trying to save the edges, so let's not do that. Once you're done with the bald cap, you're gonna cut out the lace around your ears. I've already done my right side, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do the left side. I've done my best to record this, but the easy, simple way is really just to take it off your head. I found that when I tried to cut my ears out on my head, it would always come out too short. So I started taking my wig off and cutting it a little bit longer, so that way I can give myself some wiggle room. So this is the wig after it's been fitted to my hairline. I've already plucked the knots and bleached them, and I've also defined my side part. If you guys want to see how I do that, just let me know down in the comments. So this next part is straight off the dome. I literally am coming up with this as I'm making this video. So I've seen a lot of people on YouTube and on Instagram applying the Got2b spray on the hairline to melt the lace, right? So I tried that and I thought it was nice, but I always found that the lace was getting stuck to my forehead, and then when I went to go cut it off, it would leave this white residue, and I was so over it. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and part my hair and then spray it and then see what happens. So when you see somebody else doing it, just know it started here, but it actually turned out really nice afterwards. So just keep watching, keep watching. Now, on to the fun part. I wasn't able to record me cutting off my lace, but I do it like everybody else with the shears and cutting it in a zigzag motion. You can also use a razor, whatever is best for you. I'm gonna take one of my favorite glues, the Ghost Bond glue. Quick tip, put your cap back on your glue. And I'm gonna show you why in about 3 seconds. Yes, girl, it exploded. Like, boom, exploded. And I was like, you know what? I already paid too much for this glue. I need to start being responsible and putting the damn top on. Right? Right. But it is what it is. So let's get back to the important things. So right here, you seeing me apply the Ghost Bond glue in very little amounts. I'm smearing it until it's clear, and then I'm adding multiple coats. I might have done about 3 or 4, maybe 5, 6, 7, but do as many coats as you want, but make sure they are in thin layers so your lace will melt. When you're done applying your coats, the best thing about this glue is that it dries really fast. So then you're going to proceed to melt. Everybody, shh, 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 shh. Melting is in process, melting is in process. Oh my God, did you see that? Did you see that? Oh my God. Oh man, I get so excited when lace melts. Oh my God. Okay, so you're gonna take your comb and you're going to press the lace into your skin firmly. I'm using a good amount of pressure when I'm doing this. You might have missed some spots. Just go back and add some glue, and then any other parts you can just cut off. I'm gonna wand my hair today. My mom got me this awesome kit by Parwin Pro Beauty. It's a interchangeable wand kit, and it comes with a couple different It comes with a couple different attachments. And this one, which is my favorite, also the only one I've used, so I can't really say it's my favorite yet, but I'll come back to you. The only thing I hate about red lipstick gets on your teeth. Anyway, so I'm gonna try this one today. Let me stop being childish. It's pretty cool. All you do is turn it to unlock. Oh, wrong way. Plop it out. Put in the one you want. And then lock it back in place. And it goes all the way up to 450. This boy get hot. So we're gonna put ours on 450. Look how fast that boy is moving. So while that's happening, I'm gonna prep my hair. Today I'm gonna be using Big Sexy Hair Silk Finish. It's like a little bit, because I don't want my hair getting too greasy. Smells hot. I'm doing this for the first time, so I'm kind of nervous to see how the curls come out. Ooh, it's cute. I'm gonna do the rest of my hair off camera, and then I'll come back on camera and show you the final results. I actually left my camera on, so enjoy some of these short clips of me doing my hair in real time. Fuck, my arms hurt. Ow. I'm in love. I'm in love. All right, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share if you think it'll help somebody, and subscribe. Bye.